Hello, everyone. Welcome to the BIM Practice online classroom. We are going to explore modification of non-full-length axes and creation of multi-story stairs, creation of a building model in the Revit software based on the given construction drawings of a 3-story villa, and application of relevant commands. First of all, let's take a look at the requirements for this lesson. Create a 3D model of a 3-story villa based on the given task and project drawings, which should be completed within 1.5 hours. The total score for the comprehensive modeling is 40 points. Specifically, create the model based on the given parameters and requirements, and output the results. Create a folder named Task 3 Output plus your name on the desktop and save the result files in that folder. 1. Complete the BIM modeling environment setup based on the task information. 2. In case of parametric modeling of BIM, according to the given sheets, create levels, grids, columns, walls, doors, windows, floors, roofs, steps, aprons, and stairs. Dimensions and types of balcony railings are customized. Doors and windows should be created based on door and window schedules. Sills should be customized. No requirements for the sills if dimensions are not indicated. 3. Create sheets. When creating sheets, it is first required to create a door and window schedule. Then create a first floor plan. Create a 3-metric sheet, insert the first floor plan, and adjust the view scale to 1 to 100. 4. Render models. 5. Model file management. Name the model file 3-story villa plus your name and save it to the desktop. The sheets for this project are as follows. First floor plan, second floor plan, third floor plan, roof plan, axis 1 to 7 elevation, axis 7 to 1 elevation, axis A to G elevation, axis G to A elevation, stair detail and section. The recommended workflow based on the above-mentioned sheets is shown in the figure. According to the project sheets, for more information about the components with specific operation steps covered in the previous modules, please refer to the related content. This lesson will focus only on modifying non-full-length axes, creating operation steps for multi-story stairs, and displaying modeling results. I will present you the details of operation steps. First of all, I'd like to present you the operation steps of modifying non-full-length axes. The non-full-length axes in this project will affect dimensions and sheets creation later. Therefore, we should process according to the drawing requirements after the grids are created. Take the 7th axis of the lower bay as an example. We can see that it is cut off at the intersection with axis D from the bottom up. Therefore, the axis number of the upper bay should be removed and the length of the upper bay should be modified. Launch the software. After the first floor grids are created, select the 7th axis of the upper bay and uncheck the upper part of the 7th axis. Continue to select the end of the axis of the upper bay and modify its length by dragging. We will find that all the axes of the upper bay are dragged together. We should click the right upper lock of the 7th axis to unlock it so that the 7th axis will be dragged separately. Drag the unlocked 7th axis downward to the intersection with axis D. The method for dragging other non-full-length axes, please refer to that of the 7th axis. I won't repeat it here. Please modify by yourselves. The modified first floor grids are shown in the figure. After the first floor grids are modified, select all first floor grids and select Propagate Extents in the toolbar so that the first floor grids will affect plans of other floors. Next, I will present the creation steps for multi-story stairs. In this project, there are 2 floors. After you read the drawing carefully, you will find that the 4 major parameters for the first floor match that of the second. For both floors, the story height is 3 meters. The maximum riser height is 150 millimeters. The minimum flight width is 1,030 millimeters. The minimum tread depth is 250 millimeters. Then, we can apply the multi-story stairs command and create all together. Before drawing stairs, floors should be transected with the shaft command to reserve a staircase opening. The method for reserving an opening for the shaft is covered in the previous chapters. I won't repeat it here. I will only present you the creation method for multi-story stairs here. Next, let's figure out how to do the operations. Launch the software and select Staircase in the Architecture tab. Click Staircases and press Components. In the drop-down menu of Properties, select Monolithic Stairs and click Edit Type in the Properties bar. According to the task requirements, input the maximum riser height of the stairs 150, the minimum tread depth 250, the minimum flight width 1,030. Then, click OK. After the stair parameters are set up, enter the stair drawing interface. In the Properties bar, set the base level as first floor, the top level as second floor, the top level for multiple floors as third floor, and the required number of risers as 20. Please pay special attention, input the number of risers of one floor. After parameters are set for multi-story stairs, enter the first plan to draw the stairs. The method for drawing stairs is the same as that of single-story stairs. Please pay attention to the upstairs direction when drawing. After multi-story stairs are drawn, select to check a 3D model. Check section box in the Properties panel to check the drawing of stairs and delete wall railings. Add a railing section for the third floor stair. Multi-story stairs are shown in the figure. Model rendering and results. The model is rendered as the task requirements and the results are shown in the figure. The model is rendered for a 3-story villa. Name the model 3-story villa plus your name and save it in the folder of this task. We need to check whether all results are saved in the format according to the task requirements or not after all models are created. Summary. 1. The drawing method for the grid is an essential topic. You are recommended to make dimensions for the grid after drawing to avoid rework. You must master the operation of grid as it is very simple. 2. The drawing of multi-story stairs for standard floors can significantly reduce the modeling workload. However, please pay attention to the conditions required by this command. Firstly, the floor height must be the same. Secondly, flight width, riser height, and tread depth for different floors must be the same. Drawing of multi-story stairs is an essential topic in the recent elementary tests. It might be challenging, so you should practice more. That concludes this lesson. Thank you for listening. See you next time.